So, we talked about the rulers, but we also have our toolbar where we have our instruments to draw and to select. Then we have a status bar that gives to us useful information about the objects that we have on the screen, the selection, and so on, and also gives to us information about the fill and the stroke. Then the useful color palette, which let us change in a quick way the colors. So for example, let's go on the toolbar and I can start to draw a rectangle. And I can change the color going here on the color palette. And then you will notice that if I select, the status bar will tell me that I selected a rectangle in the layer number 1, and then gives to me the information about the color, the fill and the stroke.